I thought this portable blender was going to be a complete waste of money, but what happened when I tested it honestly shocked me. Most portable blenders look great in ads, but the moment you throw in frozen fruit, ice or protein powder, they struggle, leave chunks everywhere, or die after a few uses. So I decided to put this one to the test. I loaded it up with strawberries, banana, protein powder, and even a few ice cubes to see if this tiny blender could actually make a real smoothie. And honestly, I wasn't expecting much, but after using it for several days, I was genuinely impressed. It's small enough to fit in a gym bag or backpack, charges with USB-C, and lets you make fresh smoothies almost anywhere. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, school, or traveling, it's incredibly convenient not having to drag out a bulky kitchen blender every time you want a quick drink. What surprised me most was how easy it was to use. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and let it do the work. Cleanup takes less than a minute, there's no giant blender jar taking over your sink, and it barely takes up any space on your counter. But here's the real question. Is it actually worth buying? Can it really replace a traditional blender? Or is it just another viral Amazon gadget? That's exactly what I covered in my full review. I tested the blending power, battery life, portability, cleaning process, and whether it's truly worth your hard-earned money. If you want the full review, real test, and my honest results, watch the full video on my YouTube channel, smartbuypicks. And if you love discovering viral Amazon finds before everyone else, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to smartbuypicks for more honest reviews, smart buying guides, and trending products that are actually worth your money.